Welcome back. Every day in gym, we will be doing push-ups, and so we're going to go over those push-ups right now. If you're in kinder and first, I'm going to show you what those push-ups looks like, and then second through fifth grade. So for kinder through first, we're going to be on our stomach. On our stomach, our hands are going to be outside our shoulders. I'm going to lift my hands up off the floor. I'm going to press down on the floor and then straight up. From my head all the way to my heel, I want to be straight across. I go down to my stomach, lift my hands up, and press off the floor. For second through fifth, we are going to do push-ups. So we're not going to go all the way down to our stomach. When I say ready, you're going to be in the ready position. This is the ready position. When I say down, you're going to go down and come out. One step. Down. Two steps. Down. Three steps. And so forth. So how many push-ups are we going to be doing every day? We're going to do the same amount as your age. So however old you are, we're going to do that many push-ups. I'm going to do 12 push-ups with you. So wherever your age is, you stop at that number. Here we go. Ready. Down. One step. Down. Two steps. Down. Three steps. Down. Four steps. Down. Five steps. Down. Six steps. Down. 7 steps, down, 8 steps, down, 9 steps, down, 10 steps, down, 11 steps, down, 12 steps. And we are done. If at any moment you can't do any more regular push-ups, second through fifth, you can go down to your stomach, lift your hands up off the floor, and press yourself up. Have a great day. Get stronger, get better, get faster. Can't wait to see you next. Peace.